color nila.
Okay, okay. HOG?
DA3.
Our throne.
DA3.
For now.
Okay, they have brawlers then. They have brawlers.
Dismounted.
Evan, Fuchikosi.
Walking na.
Hindi sa atin
Wait,
yung
hold.
outpost
Yung Q sa W
brawlers
dito ang
kanyo,
Q sa
brawlers,
W.
using W, brawlers sa minions. I mean,
Yung careful dito sa don't get Don't go too deep. I'm looking for Karina. Okay. So they have fake. They have Astral, A3, Bloodletter. It's winnable, guys. Just let them engage first. Brawlers, you're gonna after they engage, Ditang stop them at the back. Brawlers go inside fast. Then we gonna clap them when they're getting they're panicking. Wait. They have Infinity Blades southeast still mounted up. I think at least they have 4 brawlers. Yokyu's Nebulous in the alert. Ditang spread. Try to catch, to hold. Wait. Yo, careful. Let's try to play inside, okay? Yo, careful. Defenses. You have one. At the choke, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke now. Okay, spread out. Yo, brawlers. Careful. Yo, Ditangs. Yo, holding come back. Holding come back. Yo, defenses at the back. Yo, demon inside now. Yo, giga. Yo, spread out. Karina inside out. Spread out castle. Spread out guys outpost. There's a big space in the outside. I mean inside. You defenses. Nice defenses. Now we're gonna brawl. Now look at the choke. Look at them in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the Chrono. Oh, spread out and brawl again. Yo, we're gonna brawl and spread. Brawl and spread now. Please don't die. That's a fake. Yo, Karina. Looking Karina. Spread out kayo sa east side. Spread, defenses. Yo, spread. DPS, you're ready on me. Ready south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Putang ina, wala akong naklap. Naglalag ako, par. Spread, keep pulling. We're good. We're fucking good, bro. Boys, that's a fake. You spread it. Keep on brawling. Bro, brawl the low, boys. Keep pulling the low. You spread out. Defenses, you ready? Defenses. You heal up the front. Heal. We still have 3 healers. We need to heal the inside. Yo, full engagement. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Putang ina, naglalag ako, guys. Dinidido sa ata ko.
Finish.
Hindi ako makaklap. Yo, just keep bowling. Don't stop bowling, boys. Just keep bowling. Yo, defenses. Spread again. Keep healing. Spread. I'm dead. Call in. Ang ina. Lag ako. Ang lag ko. Parang dinidido siya, promise.
Yo, brawl west. Come. Find the shield. Yo, listen, party 1. Engage ready, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside me. DPS, party 1. Kill the shit. Finish the kill. Listen, go out the choke now. Go the outpost. Defense. Pop your pots. Listen, go the choke. Come southwest. Walk southwest. Yo, how many in party 1?
Oh.
Go southwest.
Ang ina, Didus, par. Promise, par. Didus yun.
Naglalag din ako, pre.
Didus. Tang ina,
Let's
kaya
go
pala
southwest.
ng gustong-gusto
Just
mag
run
fix
southwest,
set.
just
Kasi
run southwest.
may power sila. Yawa. Ang ina, nagka-clamp ako. Nakikita niyo, wala akong clamp na lagi. Kasi nadudouble eco. Kasi kala ko di pa ako nakapag-transform. Tang ina. Dalawang clamp na Putang ina, par. I will not take that
Masyad-
Shalus.
You guys,
Putang ina.
you guys, You guys were two clump up in east side, northeast side.
Yeah.
Merong southwest pre.
Nice,
Southwest wala nga akong healer. Wala nga akong healer sa southwest.
Nagtapok
Di man nga
sila
ako
sa north.
nakakapag-take ng damage eh. Masyado kayo nag-clump up sa Pagka ganong brawling pre, you should be circling around the outpost. Do not stay in one side. Yo, those people who's alive, come southwest. Come to my ping.
Tangin na pa. Tangin na
Come to my
dito
ping, come
talaga.
southwest.
Wala akong zero ping part pero sabi. Mabalik-balik yung
Hindi ka
karakter.
I'm red, ina pre. Naglalag din ako.
Sabi ka
Wait, I'll give you a VOD of ano nangyari doon.
First
Tayo
pick
na.
pa lang kuya.
Nice.